This is the next stop in our adventure towards mathematics and computer games, strange worlds, geometry, and algebra, and all the rest of that stuff. I, of course, am your host, Black Swan, and these, well, they live here, or they at least hover here, and that thing there is really interesting. Quite a graphic creature, made up of a lot of polygons, but is there a pattern? What would we think would happen? Well, let's see. Is there anything interesting that can be observed here? I'll walk up to it. Seems okay. Oh my. Oh! Now they've closed in. What does that do? Oh, that makes this thing come to life. Now that's just not nice. Doesn't seem to be hurting me at all. I hate to do this to the fellow, but we won't get to really activate that device until he stops. Well, that button right there gives him a frost fever and a blood plague. I'll have to turn around here and face him. There, I feel much better now. Notice how... Oh, now I've triggered him. Now look, he's spewed out one of the larger versions of those little purple creatures. I'm going to run around here, and if you'll notice it, looks really interesting. Now, note the hit points up there. 215,000. I have 708,000, losing a few, but I'll just turn here and say, how about one of these? Oh, there I am, back up to full. Hit him again, and now he disappears back into this creature that's swatting at me. But that was the function, and it was like, well, what moves it? Can I lightly get this thing to go off? Okay. Oops, I'm going to hurt this thing. It's going to not be able to go... Oh, there, one more time. Now, what would we assume intuitively? And depending on, there was no time limit. It was more or less what had done.